Imake ngoxa usenza le wetayo still chef skis okanye la.
Yeah, kaloku nguye lona fanele sizama ibhegi yakhe apha.
Yeah.
Yabo sizama ibhegi chef skis because ubhuti esi ndigcinele uzazibalekelela naye. Busy no monetize.
Yeah.
But we're learning, man. Diala TikTok hey damn brand afuna uxoka ndiseshort. La way andikagcine 2 months. Sesibethe ku100k andiyani makwenzeka ntoni. Buy 5 for 1 million.
Like you feel like kanjani with it? Like first million nje.
I don't know. Me, the only excitement I got was when I saw the video. Was like the first video was on 3,000. That developer excited. So all the other things is just like extra, bro. And it's not like and it's not like the moment is a white flower if it's a was.
Oh, okay.
And it's about the quality. But then yeah, it's about good song at the end of the day.
Okay, nje. Yo kanjani boy time?
One of the best feelings ever, bro. Like the focus you get changed, like the focus is always money. Like and that, it's like yabona ngosibele ngespan. All the time, my brother, like iwali zakho ngabantwana bakho. Like what I choose is like yeah, but it's like I'm big,
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, because it's like the name is serious. No, the one John Besano Cooper Fetu. Neon Coupe. Yo, by 2000. Just for an excursion. Yeah, you're talking as I say, we talk on the.
Yeah.
Oh, me, totally, me, I want to be no.
Abo inyo sakho seyambi ile ntuka.
Excursion, a teenager, bro.
Ina ngaphi?
Number 10.
Damn. Mate,
bro. I'm
That's
also a
beautiful,
police and they asked, but I don't do can check because phone about the practice, phone about what that, phone about what that. So so private school and not playing games,
Yeah.
But of course, like young brother, the mama was there, like everything, man, like yeah. But yeah, I was pushing. Yeah.
So bathini xa ubona i-content yakho ngo akhanxose zakho?
My daughter is basically like me. She's crazy. I even post on TikTok. She's one of those people like I don't. Because I learned from her, but say tata, I'm a better pants. So basically, dog is like with my kids. It's like I get from them. Kumbulang and you mean?
Angaqhubeleka wenza into zakho.
Yeah, kumbulang and you mean basically. Apparently, better way yoba. Okay, I'm off. Yabo. Makan. Chile nabantu man ngirelax senze into zemandi senze ibona ayibuke guys nifuna senze ibheka yo akuxhunywa ntoni tata ngabafana mahle senze ibheka athi ntoni tata ngithi ibheka athi yo athini umntana bona neba for 2 minutes ibheka yo azothi bona oh you mean burger yeah ayobheka iburger so it's like into ezinjalo bro so you see.
So inspiration isuka from
but a second additional language with me. The English is it is Paul. Man say hey dude bro. Lele bro. Continue guys. So at least bro like abantwana bayafundisa yabo. And bachicha ngendlela yokucinga ngayo, nezinto zenza ngayo. Lokho man the former para for me.
But like you, I'm sure you are a fun dad.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. If you've been in the streets and you are responsible, you got it. There's no other way. But means so let's try doing. When the police try doing the born, like family togetherness and all those vibes. So yeah, bro, it's like but yes, sebenzisa.
But awuhlali kasi mfethu yabo, but ki character yakho nabo babukasi. Uyithatha phi la wena?
Let me tell you, yabona mina. Actually, a lot of people don't get it when Let me say this. I'm going to say this first of all. There's a lot of niggas like me, and I'm just one of them that got out. I mean, they got caught up with drugs and shit like that. And it's like same thing with the bass. Like bass is actually the same character as me. It's like so the way I'm because the way uba ndigunolali okokuqala. Like I'm very proud of ngilali zami. Like that's one of the most things I'm proud of. But you say I'm tapped into inkeva zami. You know, about you kombeni and tall and like if we are born everything. And then they think I'm more of it because of this silent time. Because I love it. And then you digele ekas. Digele ekas inhlele ekas. So ngifunde grade 1 to grade 4 ekas ezweliche. Izwezo ngizalwe emdantsane but bengivanale ndagele ezwezo grade 1. Grade 1 izwezo yafana ni culture. Culture is on steroids. They were cutting crazy. No, babomvu, but like babomvu and Paganisa is like. Man must say culture babomvu dog like what's a span? Yeah, but you transport the color must say yeah, but it's hard to get me. So like this was like cars and cool back color side, you know. And then I shoot in my job.
You can continue and shoot.
And then you told you men there. And then the colonels were like Elapa. So as long as I've been for no man school. But man, do not school and I've been a clinic, miss. That's in the clinic. At grade 10, bruh.
Coming up.
A grade 10, so you can think of such of a vibe and energy, but kwenzeka ntoni amasiza emicrowave sibonisa ubhodeka ndifuna ii-cabs zamahala yho ndithumela ii-cabs for ndifuna ndakuxelela ndiyisep yho
ibrand yaphi le
Bodega Boys man isipho hayi man base-Kuruman Rumanansa evala Mtshito Ntswembu like Sipho is big serious business. Shout out to Sipho man. So yeah, Bodega, bro. And Bodega is doing amazing shit, bro. Yo. So yeah, man, and then itwang the basic dibana bo episho. So episho nozala segrene ngiyaspanele yabo. Olani wakuyahlangana then nozala baselidlala episho. Yabo. Mina thina sebesiqhama ngelo xesha ke ngoba because ndimi sister yami osinozala yabo. So ke ngoku uchayise kuba okay ndilapha ebhisho xa ndifika ebhisho zikhumshe zikakazifuna waba yokhalwa ngamatsura onebulbel ngamajita happy. So basically even where the lingo that I have is like it's my friends, like it's people I grew up with. We used to speak that way, but that time is stupid. Like insula stupid. Yabo like Turela impundu Turela ibele libulbel.
But do you realize ngoba wonke umuntu was about to say ngenxa yakho
yeah. Actually it's like you see if I go back home now there's new lingo every fucking 3 months or like every month. There's always a new lingo. There's always someone that's trying to come up with a new thing. It's just that basically space whereby I call resources.